Welcome back, as we now discuss typical lubricant handling procedures. By handling, we mean dispensing, pouring, and the application of lubricants. Oil is obtainable in various containers, such as a half-liter can, a 5-liter can, 20-liter pails, and 210-liter drums. The smaller packs are designed so that oil can be poured directly into a machine or engine. However, it is usual to decant from heavy packs, such as the 20-liter pail, into a carrying size container, such as a measuring jug, for convenience. Removal of oil from 210-liter drums is done by means of a pump, if the drum is stored in an upright position, or, when stored on its side, through a bung tap. A full 210-liter drum is far too heavy to lift and calls for the use of machinery if it is to be moved over long distances. For transporting 210-liter drums on level floors, this handy trolley comes in very useful. A drum loaded manually, and then once secured, can be managed by a single operator. The rolling of 210-liter drums is commonly seen, but we must take certain precautions. Firstly, we must be sure that there are no sharp objects in the way which could puncture the drum. Next, never roll a drum up or down a slope. We think the reason is pretty obvious, don't you? Through the use of correct equipment and following basic procedures, there should be little need for your hands or skin to come into contact with oil on most lubrication work. Of course, if you are the careless type, you could be in for a good soaking, which is definitely not good for your skin or complexion. The best time to drain oil is when the machine or engine is hot and the oil therefore thinner. And for this reason, we are at risk of burning our hands with hot oil. It is strongly recommended that you wear suitable hand protection in the form of nitrile rubber gloves at this time. Finally, let's look at grease handling. Most greasing work is done using grease guns, where there is no need to actually contact the grease yourself. Where, for any reason, you have to use grease manually, we suggest that you use a clean spatula. After the break, we'll discuss the subject of housekeeping.